Hi, I'm Jesse with MultiDyne, Director of Product Development. I'm here at ISE 2026 to get into the VersaBrix. We're here talking with customers about the customizable fiber platform that we call the VersaBrix. It's got a configuration tool on our website that you can configure a box from 2 slots all the way up to 10 slots. We have a 2, 4, 6, and 10 slot version. These systems are used for PTZ and POV camera extension, for meeting space signal extension, for LAN isolation and extension, where you could have multiple gig-E and 10 gig-E LAN extensions over one fiber with no VLANing, no crosstalk, very easy to deploy and easy to operate. And we also have PoE++ options, so we're doing fiber to the edge designs using plenum rated structured fiber cable, the 12 gauge copper conductors, doing low voltage power to the edge, and then back to copper for your signal extension, ranging from 12 GSDI all the way down to composite analog video. We do analog audio, AES audio, MADI audio, again 1 gig, 10 gig Ethernet serial data, contact closures, tallies, really amazing bit of kit in the VersaBrix, so please check it out at multidyne.com.